Shelby. So in today's video, guys, it is currently 4:59. If you can see that, that's kind of why I'm whispering, because everyone in my house is asleep. But Stray Kids, the comeback is now. I'm literally so excited, so hype. I probably look dead in the face, but you know what? Stray Kids is back. Why does it matter? So without further ado, let's just get into this reaction. Okay, this animation crazy. Did y'all see that? That transition was crazy. Hold up. And this sounds, oh my god, I cannot wait to hear this whole freaking album. Oh my god, they look so good in the red. Yo, look at Felix and Bang Chan. Get it some in? Oh. He looks so good, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, hold up. I have to go back. He looks so good. This orange hair. Look at Felix with the sun. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I keep going back. Ayan. Lino. Yes! Yo, I'm sorry, I'm dirty. Yo. Yo, the accent popped through. The accent popped through, y'all. Sorry, I'm dirty. Bang Chan's accent popped through, y'all. I'm sorry, I cannot compose myself right now. Get it, Hyunjin. Oh my gosh. Yo, they really just put a bandage around Bang Chan. They said frick the shirts. Oh my gosh. I love Felix's hair. Get it, Han. Lino. Did y'all see that? I'm sorry, y'all. I've been waiting for this. Yo, Yo. Felix did not have to be rude like that. Yo, these sets are crazy. I can't wait to see the behind the scenes, because these sets. Stray Kids just knows how to bring the beat drops. Were those supposed to be like wolf masks? Hold up. Yo. Why they had to do me like that? Shut up, ads. I don't care. Okay. Why they have to do us like that? That was crazy. The way I'm gonna be watching this all day. I don't think y'all understand. I don't think you do. I don't think you do. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was crazy. The music video is so good. The sets were crazy. The sets were absolutely crazy. And I love the aspects of Korean culture that they put in there, like crazy. I'm sorry, I'm dirty. I don't know what I'm saying. Maybe I should learn that. But I can't wait to hear the whole album. I'm just so excited. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure to like it. This is crazy. If you want to go check out any of my other Stray Kids reactions, just check out my channel, check out the K-pop playlist. There are a ton in there. I reacted to Kingdom and a couple other Stray Kids songs, so if you want to go check out those, definitely do that. This is the emoji of the day. Oh my god. So comment the emoji of the day so you can get a shout out, and this is the shout out of the day. Definitely go follow me on Instagram. I answer all of my DMs, and I love when y'all hit me up. It makes my day every time. So yeah. If you like this video, make sure to like it. If you want to subscribe, then definitely subscribe, because 94% of y'all are not subscribed. So definitely subscribe, and it's your life.